Hi everyone, Mike Marbach here, and this is the Santa Rosa toilet from Kohler. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous Kohler models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. Kohler comfort height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At Kohler, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, Kohler toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last for years to come.
At Toto, flushing technology is a serious science. Quality assurance is foremost. Toto's series of performance tests are the most rigorous in the plumbing industry. Toto tests and retests, using more than 10 evaluations in fact, to validate flushing technologies. To ensure reliable performance, Toto's stringent testing standards imitate real-life scenarios. Toto conducts many liquid tests, including one with 500 milliliters of dyed liquid, 150 milliliters more than in common bathroom breaks. Toto understands that accurate testing must recreate normal conditions. This means a fully restored water level in the bowl, plus the waste you add. In test after test, Toto's Ultramax 2 with double cyclone technology removes all liquid waste every time, using only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's high efficiency plus performance. Yet a balanced high-efficiency toilet must clean the bowl and rim as well as flush media. A toilet paper test ensures complete bowl cleansing and paper removal, while the ink line test proves that the flush consistently and completely removes rim debris. Toto's high-efficiency toilets perform the best because we have the best testing practices. Toto is proud of our high-efficiency, high-performance 1.28 gallon per flush toilets and water conservation. And as consumers, you should accept no substitute.
Hi guys, I'm Mike Marbach with Kohler, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Kohler Cimarron toilet. Now what's great about this toilet is that it gives you everything you need, plus a couple of unique features you won't find with other models. First, the Cimarron offers a patented installation system called Dry Lock, which makes the toilet faster and easier to install. Another great feature about the Cimarron toilet is that it's comfort height. Comfort height means the toilet from the floor to the top of the seat is just over 17 inches, which is a little taller than a standard toilet and makes it easier for standing and sitting. Now rather than a standard flapper valve, the Cimarron features a canister flush valve. That valve inside the toilet is engineered to maximize water savings and flushing performance. The canister flush valve offers durable, flapperless design, giving you a powerful 360-degree flush every time. Just flush it once and forget it. The Cimarron is also a WaterSense certified model, which means that it uses only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's a 20% savings versus a standard 1.6 gallon toilet. But if you want to see even bigger savings, use Cimarron to replace older toilets that use 3.5 gallons. No matter which option you choose, all Kohler toilets are designed to maximize flushing power, save water, and clean the bowl. And the best part, they're built to last for years to come.